Okay, 16 is using the unit circle, so it's a bunch of ratios. So the first one is tangent of pi over 3. Well, tangent, remember, is y over x. So y over x, or pi over 3, here's pi over 3. That's y over x. So that's root 3 over 2 over or divided by 1/2. Dividing by a fraction, you multiply by the reciprocal. So it's root 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. 2's cancel out. You are left with root 3. So the tangent of number 16 is the tangent of pi over 3 equals root 3. 17. Oops, sorry, it's still 16. But it's the next one. Let's go down the column. Let's go CSC of pi over 2. Let's cosecant. So remember, cosecant is, it's r over y, right? It's the reciprocal of sine. So pi over 2 is right here. It's r over y. Well, r is always 1, and in this case, y is 1. So the cosecant of pi over 2 is 1. The next one is secant of 5 pi over 4. Remember, secant is the reciprocal of cosine, so that's r over x. Well, 5 pi over 4 is right here, and it's going to be r, which is 1 over x, which is negative root 2 over 2. So it's 1 over negative root 2 over 2, which, divide by a fraction, multiply by reciprocal. 1 times negative 2 over root 2. Well, that's going to be negative 2 over root 2. Rationalize that. And that is going to be negative 2 root 2 over 2. They cancel. The 2's cancel with negative root 2. So the secant of 5 pi over 4 equals negative root 2. The next one is sine of 7 pi over 6. That one's pretty easy. Find 7 pi over 6. Remember, sine is just the y value, so that is negative 1/2. Next one, sine of 135. Another fairly easy one. You find 135. Sine is y, that is root 2 over 2. Tangent of 210. 210 is right there. Tangent is going to be y over x. Y over x is tangent. So that's going to be negative 1/2 divided by negative root 3 over 2. Well, the negatives cancel out. So you have 1/2 times 2 over root 3. The 2's cancel out. So you have 1 over root 3, which if you rationalize becomes root 3 over 3. So the tangent of 210 degrees is root 3 over 3. Secant of negative 150 degrees. Okay, negative 150 degrees, well, that's negative 90. So you need an additional negative 60 degrees. So you're right here. This is negative 150 degrees. Another way of looking at that is it's 30 degrees away from the negative 180. Secant, remember, is the reciprocal of cosine. So that's going to be r over x. R is 1. So that's 1 over whatever the x value is. In this case, negative root 3 over 2. So that's negative 2 over root 3. Rationalize that out. That's going to be negative 2 root 3 over 3. That's a secant of negative 150 degrees. Finally, cosine of 540 degrees. Well, cosine is just the x value. However, you got to figure out what the coterminal angle is here. That's 360. So minus 360, what do I have left? Well, I should have about 180 degrees. That's another 180 degrees. So cosine is going to be the x value. So cosine of 540 degrees is negative 1.